Hi, welcome. We're back at the bungalow project. Not been here for a little while. Well, we have. George has been doing a load of work in the evenings and the weekends, but I'm not only filming lately. We've had a bit of plastering done on odds and sods, so I'll put that on this video as well. They've been prepping it in the evenings while in between other jobs, and it's looking really, really good. So I'll take you inside and show you around in a minute. And the saw you can hear at the moment, that's a grinder actually. The easy way to cut Fascia And Soffit is with a grinder. Cuts through like hot knife through butter. So yeah, we've been doing a bit of Fascia And Soffit, so I'll show you around there, put some clips up in a minute. And we're also hacking off this render here. All this rendering's coming off. We've taken off this boarding here, cladding, OSB there, OSB, it's all going to be cladded. This is all coming off, that's all going to be insulated and rendered. Got a firm coming around, a company coming around to do that. Hello, welcome back to the bungalow. Just going to give you an update on the plastering. You'll see some photographs that I put up, but we've had some plasters in. They're doing bits and pieces they can fit it in, and it's going to be finished this weekend, I think, hopefully. So let's turn the camera around now. They've tacked it up, done the joints as you'll see, and this room's all done. Just got to just wait for it to dry out. The ceiling's done, all the walls done, looking good. And they're going to get smashed that out the weekend, clear up, and let it dry and ready to put a mist coat on. And we've done a little bit of Fascia And Soffit down this side. Show you there. It's dark grey, so you can't really see it too well. My son's made up the box section there, so the plan is today to do the other side over here. We'll put OSB here to pack it out. Then we're going to put OSB at the front there to make it look nice and neat. And the plan is today to put in these blocks here, OSB at the front, put the blocks here and put in the J trim underneath, which is the trim to hold the soffit. Lock the soffit in, put the fascia board on, a couple of nails. I'll show you that later on in a minute. So we've added some packing blocks here, and then put the soffit, the OSB, sorry, fascia, and the soffit's going to go in here. We put trim along there. Soffit's going to click into the trim, and then put the fascia board on that right the way along. Just got to put an in-piece fill here because the J trim stops here. And what we've done here, this is the J trim. It gets screwed up there, and you put a piece in there. We need to put a piece of timber in there. But what happens is the J trim there, and your soffit simply slots into there. And you've got your fascia on. George does that end there, the box end there, I'm just going to slide it in. So basically what you do, you get a sheet of this, you get a sheet of that, and then you just manipulate it into that slot there, and it slots in like so, like that, done. And we're working away right along, so there, so we're pre-nailing the fascia board. There's a fascia board by USL. We're doing it a metre, what is it George, half a metre? Spirit level mark, you put a pencil mark there, we've got a square there, nice inch. So what we do basically, slide the screw up to there, mark there, pre-nail them, slide up to your next mark, mark there, pre-nail it. All you do now it's pre-nailed, tap these in. Don't go all the way home, because when you pull this off, it comes down there and you finish them off after. So you see we've left them like sub flush, you peel the plastic off. So I've just got to hit that one home, hit the plastic off and then finish them off. Don't hit it on home, so you hit that, leave a little gap, pull the plastic off, finish it off. That's it. No. Well, that's it for people for this video. Thank you for watching. We've done the Fascia And Soffit, most of it's done. We've just got time to put a joining piece in there. Just got a piece down in to do now. I think we've both, it's been a long day and we're nearly there. We're both a bit tired, so it's looking good. We'll finish it off and we'll say goodbye till next time. See you later. Bye bye. Ta-da. That's this side done. Just in time. Just in time for dinner.